Hello, welcome back guys to my channel. First, I wish everybody watching this video subscribe and like this video to encourage us make more videos. In this video I'm gonna show you how to open the cover for this laptop, the HP 17.3 inches with CPU Ryzen 5500U and 12GB RAM. So let's go guys and see what happened. First thing, I read some comments here on through these videos. They ask about how open this video. Mr. Scott and Mr. Chris and Mr. Catherine. I'll be more than happy to show you all of you guys how to open these videos. And yes, keep with us, have a seat and watch us. First thing, I'm gonna turn off the computer. Today is March 12th, 2022. It's 12:22 a.m. We close the screen, flip the laptop. You can't take off power. And then here, just gonna go closer to the laptop. As much as we can. And just lower the camera level so we can take closer picture. So we can see here we have this first screw, and this is the second one, third, fourth. So plus what we have here, we have 4 screws under this rubber and 2 here under this one. I'm gonna show you one by one. First thing, we're gonna take off this one. And this one. And these two as well. And now you can see the other 4 screws here. We can take this completely or just partially to see everything. And here actually we don't have to or we don't need to take all of this rubber. We just reveal the 2 sides, and then we can take off these screws. Actually, we can use another screwdriver with the magnetic. This one has a magnetic tip. Yes, see? We don't need to touch it by hand. I want to show you how. It's helpful, very helpful to use a magnetic tape screwdriver. One more. And this is the last one, what we have. So again, we have one here. Gonna just make it, try to zoom in the video. Yes, here we go. Okay, one here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10. These all screws that we have for this laptop. How to take off this cover? It's very easy. We just need to use any card, any plastic card. We may have it at home. I'm just trying to find a special card for this work. Here we go. We found this one card. It's very helpful to use it and keep it always in our office to open any computer or laptop. We can find here the edge of the computer. This edge of computer. We need just to pull one side, like here. One second. I'm gonna show you higher view so we can see more. Okay. As we see here, just a little bit, we can by hand pushing, put the card, and here we go. We start open. Just want to show you the side, how it have it, something like this. We continue pushing all the way until we finish the whole frame. No hard pushing, soft pushing. And we'll find the cover off. It doesn't need any strong or any muscle to apply when you take off this cover. Okay, and then we need to apply it here. Everything is here. In previous videos, we talking about how to upgrade the memory. I actually already add another 16 gigabyte here, 16 gigabyte in one slot. So this slot it can accept up to, each one it can accept up to 32 gigabyte. And here, this one, the original one, it was 8 gigabyte. And now I have 8 gigabyte and 16 gigabyte, 24 gigabyte with this laptop. And this is 2 terabyte M2. It's doing really good. And this is normal the drive I use it for just backup or storage, extra storage in my laptop. This actually is 2 terabyte. Very helpful. Yes, this is the battery, everything. This is the same laptop you watched it in a previous video, and here you go. Now you can upgrade it, or you can add everything to this laptop. How to close it again? Same way. You just put this cover back a little bit, pushing here. You will hear tick, 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 and this sound. This sound means the computer is completely closed and attached. And start applying the screw in the positions. And this is the black one here, and the last black one should be here. The white or the chrome screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we just start tied it well. If you have any question, guys, just leave it in a comment or send us an email to my company, info@oaktexo.com. I'm gonna leave the email address and the website for my business in the comments. We see how to take it off, how to return it safely, no problem, no issues, and we gonna see the laptop work back normally. We apply the rubber here and the rubber here. There we go. Turn on. If you want to go through the, okay, it's already start. Just I'm going to show you the specifications into Windows. If we go to the DX diagnostic, okay, you can see here the memory. Let me try to move the camera with the phone. To see, this is the memory, 24 gigabyte, and the CPU and laptop model. CPU, this is 6 cores, 12 threads. Really good, really helpful CPU for every work. Okay guys, see you in the next video, and if I have any question or if you request any videos, just leave it in the comments, and see you in the next videos.